Hi, this is Artist Annette with Cooking Couture Atlanta. It is Monday, June 10th, and we're all in the middle of Jubilant June. We're manifesting 30 days of abundance. This is 30 days of abundance, and we're believing, we're setting an intention, we're being focused, we're thinking about what we have to offer, we're knowing who we're offering it to, we're knowing what difference we're making in the world. We are really being intentional on another very important thing that we need to know, we need to focus on, we need to dig into, we need to research our support system, our community, what it is that we need, whatever it is that you need or you're trying to do, you want to produce or you want to manifest, somebody right in your community, it could be right there at the library. The library could need the service you have to offer, or the information that you need to find out could be right down the street at the library. You got to know who your senators are, who your district reps are. What district do you live in? What district is your business in? They could be having a grant or a program right now that's perfect for you, that manifests everything that you want, but you don't even know about them. You don't even follow them on social media. Your own congressman, district rep, the mayor, you know what I mean, of your city. Like, know your resources. We have so many resources. I talk about that in my 3 books: what I wish I knew before I started my business, what I wish I knew when I was running my business, and what I wish I knew right after ending my business. We got to know our resources, and we got to be okay with saying to somebody, I don't know if you know anything about this industry, do you? Or about this particular subject. And that could be a friend. It could be a family friend or a family member that can help you, but you haven't even said anything. We got to know our resources and use them.